Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, beta? Yes. So in last video, I started the topic Seerah. Yes. Seerah means the life history of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it is very necessary to get knowledgeable about life history of our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because our success of life in this world and hereafter, यहाँ और क़यामत के बाद यानी आखिरत में, if we want success, so it is only in the path of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the way of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And because of that, it is necessary to learn history of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So last time 2 paragraph I explained. I read the birth of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the upbringing and youth of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Third, the marriage of our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Due to these excellent qualities, an honorable wealthy widow named Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha proposed to marry him. Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam accepted the proposal and the marriage took place. Our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 25 years old and she was 40. This is the first marriage of our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the age of 25. And with which woman? Named Khadija bint Khuwailid, in the age of 40, and she was widow, vidwa. You know that Allah Almighty give commands direct to Nabi. Whatever Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam do, it is from Allah Almighty. In Holy Quran it is mentioned, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, wa ma yantiqu 'anil hawa, in huwa illa wahyun yuha. Whatever Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam speak, and after speaking, what person do? Follow it. So whatever Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam speak or Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam do any activity in his life, by himself or in his family or in town of Medina or Makkah. So what Quran says, وَمَا يَنْتِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَىٰ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَىٰ. Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is not speaking by himself. Whatever he speaks, it speaks from Allah Almighty. In huwa illa wahyu yuha. It's the revelation revealed from Allah Almighty. ये वही है जो अल्लाह की तरफ से आती है, तो नबी सासम बोलते हैं और कोई काम करते हैं. So you have heard that Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam married with 9 women and 2 slaves, बांदी जिसको कहते हैं. So 11. And the marriage of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not for his own self, not for his choice, and not only for the इंटेंशन ऑफ हार्ट, सिर्फ दिल की ख्वाहिश पूरी करने के लिए शादी नहीं थी. इट वॉज फॉर ऑल फ्रॉम अल्लाह अलमाइटी. बिकॉज इफ नबी मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम हैज मैरिड फॉर हिमसेल्फ ओनली, so he was able to do marriage with all younger girls and getting offer also from young girls. But what he do by the command of Allah Almighty. So that's why in all 9 women, only one, Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, was virgin. Otherwise all were either divorced or either widow. Look, the first marriage only in the age of 25 with the age of 40, Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha. And that also why? Because Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was trading for this woman, because she was merchant of the clothes. So Nabi Sallallahu was trading from her, for her. So once she proposed that I want to marry, because of honorable and honesty of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah gave the command, yes. So Nabi Sallallahu accept the proposal and married. And for that was the reason. She was wealthy widow. And she has a name in the Makkah. So Islam got the big benefit by this marriage. So I am giving you work that you find out all 11 names. One is Khadija, other 10 names you find out. और उसको याद करो कि what was the names of our Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu wives. And it's better that you learn it by father name, like Khadija binte Khuwailid, Aisha binte Abu Bakr, Hafsa binte Umar. Likewise, bint means daughter. So whenever you will be test will be taken for VED, so like these questions can come, not now, later. Yes, beta. Nabi Muhammad SAW becomes a Nabi when our Nabi SAW turned 40. So Nabi SAW turned 40. So what will be the age of Khadija? Because Nabi SAW was 25 and Khadija was 40. How many years difference? 15 years. Now Nabi SAW became 40. So what age for Khadija? Yes, 55. So when Nabi Muhammad SAW turned 40, Allah Ta'ala blessed him with Nubuwwah in the cave of Hira. Because Nabi SAW, before becoming a Nabi, आपको नबी बनाए जाने से पहले गारे हीरा में जाकर के आप इबादत फरमाया करते थे. अकेले तन्हाई में अल्लाह की इबादत में लगते थे, दिल अल्लाह के साथ लगा हुआ था। फिर आपको अल्लाह ने नबी बनाया। तो इन दैट केव ओनली, केव ऑफ हीरा, गारे हीरा में ही आपको नबूवत मिली, आपको नबी बनाया गया थ्रू द जिब्राइल अलैहिस्सलाम। जिब्राइल अलैहिस्सलाम recited the opening verses of Suratul Alaq. You know Suratul Alaq? Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq, this, which marked the beginning of revelation to Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After this revelation, he began to call people towards the belief in Tawheed and Risala. After this beginning revelation, he started give dawah to the nation. मक्का के लोगों को दावत देना शुरू की कि आई एम द प्रॉफिट ऑफ नबी मोहम्मद, आई एम द प्रॉफिट ऑफ अल्लाह, मैं रसूल हूँ अल्लाह का और अल्लाह एक है, इबादत के लायक है, इसकी दावत देना शुरू की। देयर सम डिटेल्स इन द वे ऑफ रिविलेशन के कैसे वही स्टार्ट हुई, हाउ द रिविलेशन स्टार्टेड इन द गारे हीरा, इन द केव ऑफ हीरा। इंशाल्लाह इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल give these details of the beginning of the revelation and I will continue this topic. Assalamu alaikum.